Silikali cia kaundi nisyaweta kana iyiiva Matakitali misaala ya Mwai kwa kwithiwa mayithiitwe wiani kumanwa na mukomo ula ooyu wamina Mwai umwe na mithenya inaendeea kutalwa Nzama ya Mangavana yiweta kana maunyungunyiisyo oonthe ala meukon'ya kaundi na Matakitali nimeaniiyitwe na kila kitialite ni Matakitali metikile kwikia saii wiw'ano wa kusyoka wiani. Ben Musaala na mauvuasu kwa uliko
thini wa kikalo kila cha ungamiwa ni munene wa thukumi Felix Koskei. Silikali nenda yitola mutengwatanio ya kutetea Matakitali KMPDU kwa kuendeea kuvuthisya wito wa Silikali no kana kusyoka mesani na kwikia saii wiw'ano wa kusyoka wiani. Yiweta Silikali ivinda yonthe yithiitwe yiyumbanitie kumethukisya.
Having eliminated all other issues of dispute, save for the placement of doctor interns, the parties prepared an initialed the return to work formula agreement, one between the national government and the union, and another between the county governments and the union. However, yesterday, having mutually agreed to convene a meeting to formally call off the strike at 2 p.m., the union failed to show up for the meeting despite all other parties being at the venue up to 7 p.m. The union backtracked on the return to work formula that had been mutually settled on after a series of 6 marathon meetings. The union's new demand is an all or nothing out of court settlement.
Kikalo kini kivikitwa ni Nzama ya Mangavana na ile kuweta nimeaniiyitwe maundu oonthe ala Matakitali ma Silikali cia kaunti menda na yu Mangavana ni maweta mayiiva Matakitali misaala ya Mwai kwa kwithiwa methiitwe mukomoni matekuthukuma.
According to the labor laws, you are not supposed to earn a salary if you have not worked. And therefore, those who have been on strike and they have not been working, a strike that had been suspended by the court, definitely should not expect any pay from the taxpayers' money because they did not work.
Nzama ya Mangavana wengine yaweta nthini wa Mwai umwe ni kwambisya unenania wa wiw'ano wa muvangilio impya wa uthukumi kana CBA ya mwaka wa 2024 na kuthinikia maunyungunyiisyo alangi oonthe na kwa Matakitali ni maile kuungamia mukomo.
On new collective bargaining agreement that the Council of Governors will initiate and coordinate the process of negotiating a new CBA with every county government within 30 days from the date of execution of the return to work formula.
We have committed as a government to nothing but honesty and to say the truth, no matter how unpalatable. That is why, if the doctors think that we are against them, this week on Friday, I will be moving to cabinet to present a proposal, a recommendation, which if cabinet approves, all government workers, at least on the national government, COG can speak for county government, all government workers from driver to cleaners to everybody will be converted to contract. There is not going to be anybody permanent anymore.
Minister Muveani wa uiti mwandu Susan Nakumicha waweta ivinda yonthe Silikali yithiitwe yiyumbanitie kwikala nthi na Matakitali atio vaina wendi museo kuma kwa KMPDU na Silikali ni kulasimika kuthi kotini no kana kulasimithia Matakitali ya maungamio mukomo wo.
The ministry has embarked on review of the internship policy, and this is to align it to the inflow of interns from the 8 teaching universities and to equally align it to the reality of the fiscal space of the country. So as a government, through the ministry, we have received a total of 6.1 billion for settlement of the issues raised by the doctors. Follow up to the doctors' refusal to call off the strike, we have instructed our council to immediately move to court and file the status report as to what we had agreed to and initialed on as a return to work formula. Equally, we will be asking our council to appeal to the court to review the orders that had been issued initially so that we are allowed to take the necessary action to ensure that Kenyans continue to enjoy healthcare services.
Vilingi wa Mauvo Mtongoi TV nyenita wa Ben Mosau.